Hi, good morning. It's Paul again. March 6th, rainy day here in Las Vegas. All right, well, let's see what's going on in the market here for the last couple of days. Let's see what we got going on. Okay, today we have the lowest price property is a condo, 1,000 square feet for 154.8. Okay, looks like a downstairs unit. Oh, looks like in pretty good shape. Nice little deck there. Tile counters. What kind of community area they have? Common area. Let's see if we can find a pool or a spa or something here. There we go. Nice pool and spa. Winchester. Okay. And we are Buffalo and Smoke Ranch up there. Okay. There we are. Let's see. Well, look at all these listings today. $5 million for this one. 5,000 square feet. 5 bedrooms, 7 baths, 5-car garage, pool, and spa. Oh, okay, Lake Las Vegas. Very nice. Little paddle boat. It is very nice. Pool right on the lake. I like that. Very nice house. 5 million. Wow. Vines are nice looking, but I don't know if I'd have them in my house. Okay, well, very nice. Like I said, Lake Las Vegas and South Shore. Those of you who don't know where Lake Las Vegas is, there's Lake Mead over here, and then Henderson's here. Las Vegas is over here, so it's kind of halfway in between Lake Mead and Henderson. Okay. Now, yesterday, we have, that's out of the area, so let's do this one. Over on Spencer, $85,000 condo, 1,000 square feet. That sounds like a decent price. Interesting. Well, looks like it's in pretty bad shape. Wow. Yep, looks like a foreclosure or something. Interesting. Boy. Looks like somebody decided to take a lot of stuff out of it. Sorry to even show you these pictures, but this stuff still goes on apparently in a condo. So it's right over on Tropicana and Spencer. Over by the airport. Oops. So let's take a look at what it says here. Traditional sale. Huh. That's interesting. Sold as is. Because you need your ideas to redecorate the way you want. They say it even is financeable. That is quite interesting. Okay. So let's go to here. 1.2 million basically. 3,800 square feet. Wow. 4 bedrooms, 6 baths, 3-car garage. Like a lot of money for that. Oh, it's a tough one. It's the area, Charleston and 215. Okay, well, that's it for that. Let's check out under contract. We have 500 and what? 19? Yeah, 519 under contract. Sold just recently. Today, actually, yeah, today reported $124,000 condo. Yesterday was $55,000 condo, 716 square feet. Gated community, that's nice. Okay, North Las Vegas probably. Oh, look at that. Interesting. Only 55,000? Is that what? Yeah, that's a good deal. Oh, not even here. It's out of the area. Should have seen that. Okay, no wonder. Okay, here's Luna. Upstairs unit. Needs a little bit of help. $67,500. Buffalo and West Cliff. Okay. So 5. Nice house. Single story. Shows well, a little dated, but shows well. Desert Inn. Okay, Summerlin. Okay, so that's that. All right. Well, that's it for right now. We've been on the thing for almost 10 minutes, so I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day.